Yo, shout out to TYREE. You're the winner of the $100 gift card from Into the AM. Salutes to you. Wait, there's more. Give me a second. Looks like Into the AM sent me another $100 gift card, so might as well keep the wheel spinning. I got everybody's names. Y'all still in the pot for the next spin. I'm gonna pick the winner the next vid. But now, this is for y'all that didn't have a chance for the first raffle. You can still join the second. Roll it. I was good. Technically, you already know I'm back in the Bronx, but the videos ain't finished. We got a few more DR videos, and yes, I got another uncut joint.
Pause.
I believe it's right now, it's like at the 10-minute mark right now, unless I have to do any kind of editing. Cut out any just regular stuff about mixing. Now, this video is gonna be $2. Yeah, I decided to make this video $2. It's about four ladies on the joint. I'm gonna give everybody a chance that's never seen one of the uncut vids, and you know, I still got them other ones. You gotta be Cash App and PayPal ready. Just for copping this video, my thank you to y'all is I got a $100 gift certificate from Into the AM. Yep, nobody claimed it, and it's too late now because you didn't claim it. I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying? And everybody that supports on this video, I'm gonna put your name in the hat. At this time, you don't have to get at me. I'm gonna get at you. Be like, yo, you got a gift card. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's my thanks to y'all. Appreciate everybody. I'm gonna leave my Cash App and my PayPal in the video description below. If you do PayPal, the whole $2 gotta come through. Can't be that $189, or I'm sorry. Another thing, make sure you check your junk mail. Make sure when you send me that Cash App, holla at me. Send me an email, let me know who you are, so there's no mistakes, all right? YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. I gotta get a shout out to, yo, Tyree, yo, you won. So I'm gonna send that to you. Appreciate you. And don't forget, got another one. I said, hey, that joint came in clutch. I said, you know what? Let's keep it going. But anyway, moving past all that.
Excuse me.
What dropped today?
What do you think, stupid?
And I got all the pairs that I wanted, but the most important pair was mine. Yeah, I didn't hit on the shock drop, but I did hit on these joints. I was seeing some lines at like Snipes on 170th. I saw a line. I was like, I thought Foot Locker didn't have the joints for like Baby Wave or whatever. No, for Lil Wave. So I had to go across the street, City Jeans or whatever. Yo, they held it down, but hell yeah, I got my joints. So let's check them out. I've already seen them outside because I did the B-roll and everything, so I ain't really gonna act all surprised. Like, you know what I'm saying? The paper is not even where it's supposed to be, but here them joints go. I didn't really get a good chance to like look at them because like I said, I was just out there trying to get B-roll and it was cold. And I didn't feel like anybody coming up to me, ask me any questions or something, even though somebody said like, they did compliment the joints, but I ain't got time for it, especially if you, I ain't got time for it. Yeah, so anyway, yeah, man, here they go. Like I said, I haven't really got a good look at them, but from what I see, I only saw like one real, and not even a flaw. I don't even think it's there. I saw it when I was outside, but now I don't know. I guess it wasn't anything, so we ain't really worried about that. But hell yeah, man. Jordan 4 Reimagined. I finally see these joints in hand. I know, yeah, everybody did the video, everybody got them, but everybody don't do that. Top 5 best on foot. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, nah. Our first looks, man. These joints look nice. Let me know. Did y'all cop these or what? Or did y'all chill? Did y'all strike out? I think that they were there for the taking. I believe. I believe. I got waitlisted at Champs, no surprise, but Foot Locker, they held me down, so it was all good. All right, man, this is an iconic sneaker right here. I'm not gonna get into like the whole Craig Elo and all that, like he shot out. I wasn't there for that game. Oh no. Ever since I was younger, it was a certain bar that made me think about this joint. Rakim said it, you know what I'm saying? He said, or trip to slip.
Cause my Nikes got grip. Stand on my own 2 feet and come equipped. Any stage I'm seen on, a mic I fiend on. I
stand alone and need nothing to lean on. And he did cuss. He cussed once on my mahogany. I always thought about these every time I heard that bar. That's what connects me to this sneak. Also, House Party 1, when Stab pressed on the gas, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, man, nostalgic sneak back when I couldn't get these, you know what I'm saying? My peeps weren't getting these for me, especially, was these the 80s shit? Nah, you know what I'm saying? Hell no. But anyway, man, I got them, and I'm glad I did. I'll talk about the whole double up thing later. Now looking at them, I'm like, but nah, we get the new buck when they come back out. But anyway, For all that, let's take it to the sole. Got your patented Jordan 4 sole right here. Herringbone traction here, here, and here. Red color blocking right here. Gray, white color blocking. Nike lettering in the swoosh in red. White color blocking right here. And boom, we got them stars. Don't make that joke again, because yeah, I don't even rock my sneaks to make them joints rub out like that. Pause if you have to. But yeah, damn. Man, I love this sneaker, man. Everything says Nintendo. You know what I'm saying? Like, word up. Everything says Nintendo about these joints. We'll take to the medial side. You see hits that sole protruding through. Red color blocking right here. Gray right here. The midsole is white. Definitely got to keep that joint clean. You got your clear air unit. Up here is black. Let me talk about this. In the past, Jordan 4s have been notorious for coming through, and I would have been tight if I got that pair. Anybody get the $150 across their midsole? It's a damn, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing worse than that. I remember my 4s came like, my fire reds. The upper, all leather. That's the whole reimagined part. Tumbled. Now, how good is the leather? Is it, that's my buddy. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Is it Vicenza or whatever, Vachetta? No, it's leather. Now we're gonna take it to the upper. You got that patented Jordan 4 cage right there. Plastic section right here. This is black. Going up to the top is gray, where your eyelets are, so the laces go through, and you also got the gray plastic section right there where the laces go through. Now we're gonna take it to the lateral side, the side that gets all the what? Same as the medial side when it comes to the color blocking, the air unit and all that, except the gray midsole right here goes a little higher up. Black color blocking right here on the midsole. I've already told you, all the way up is leather. Got that patented black cage right there. Black plasticky part right here, and gray right there and right there. That's where the laces go through. As you get to the upper on both sides, you see that part of the inside of the sneaker protrudes out. It's gray. Take to the toe box. I believe this part's gonna crease. It's inevitable.
Where you learn such fancy words at?
Get ready for that. Anyway, toe box, leather. You got your Jordan 4 cage section right there. That's part of the tongue. Black laces going all the way up to that Jumpman logo right there. Flight in white lettering. Back of the tongue, got Air Jordan. It's upside down. Now we're gonna take it to the back of these girls. No need to pull. You see it's that sole right there. Red, white, black. Leather section right here. Heel tab, Nike Air lettering, and the swoosh in gray. And that tab goes all the way up here. Will he do it? Will he do it? Oh, maybe. Yeah, he will. Red insole, Nike Air lettering, and the swoosh in black. And as always, if I missed anything, my bad. I definitely missed that black hang tag with the clear Nike Air lettering and the swoosh. I'm happy that I got these. This is my first cop of 2024. Now, are these gonna be sneaker of 2024? F no. You know what I'm saying? Like, no. Well, yeah, everybody, they know that. Do I wish I would have doubled up? Sometimes I think I do, but then I know how I am with sneaks. And it's like, nah. I'm not gonna break these out for a minute. I was talking to the cat at Foot Locker. And he asked me, he was like, yo, you think he's gonna do something? Do something like what? What you mean, like resell and stuff? I ain't in any of that. I doubt nothing crazy, you know what I'm saying? But all I know is what I'm gonna do with him. You know what I'm saying? I just know, you know what I'm saying? I just know what I'm gonna do, you know? That's it. But anyway, yeah, man, that's that. Let me know, did y'all get these joints? Did you get them for your kids, your significant other? Let me know. Anyway, like I said, we still got another $100 gift card from Into the AM. Make sure you check them out. I'll use my discount code in the video description below. About to get up out of here. I want to shout out the Wave Mob. Everybody that's been rocking with me, liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter beat. But that's Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my gentleman store at your beach. Stay tuned for that top 3 best on foot on YouTube. See when I see you.
The definition of fly, that's how I look at you. You stay fly, my nigga.
New York was good. Stand up, it's your boy Max Bigger Belly. I know y'all forgot about me, but I'm back like I left my car keys. Ow. Ow.
Paper rock, bitch, I'm on my paper rock. Yeah. Oh, this fucking paper wow. Bitch, I'm on my paper rock. Oh, this fucking paper wow. Wow, wow. Oh, this fucking paper wow. Bitch, I'm on my paper rock. Oh, this fucking paper. poppin' cause the hood breeze. Checks is coming in now. I fuck up a good thing, promise you I've been down. Seen all what the hood brings. Talking about away with all of the white. All day enjoying it and nice. If you ain't got no dope, man, then why you talking? Why you talking? Ain't tryna put me on, man, and I ain't off it, I ain't off it. I'm tryna get my babies with daddies, never gave to me. So if you ain't tryna pay me, just let me be. Hit them with a nice floor, that's just how the dice roll. Nigga, I am ice cold. They should call me Dice Cube, and I'm nothing like you. Put a thing in like you. Back. Tell them bums leave me alone, cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go, but I keep that paper route. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone, cause I'm on a paper route. Funny niggas I can never stand by. I promise that career's gonna be on standby. Very ball landslide. Stick you in the morning, put your hands out. Early for that paper like your grandpa. You wouldn't understand. Silly puppets bragging like they changed up. And whether up or down, I never changed up. You should be the same, bro. Plenty bills, we got them hanged up. That itty bitty still leave you stained up. About to switch the game up. Last night I had a beautiful night. Dream about the island on fire. What a beautiful sight. Last night I had a beautiful night. Dream about the island on fire. What a beautiful sight. Ooh, tell them bums leave me alone, cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go, but I keep that paper route. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone, cause I'm on a paper route. Tell them bums leave me alone, cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go, but I keep that paper round. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Don't talk up, advise you not to say shit. Try jump on my spot, you must got me mistaken. I'm mistaken, where the cookies, I just cook it, how we looking. Them jumps on my block and they all filled with payments. Young ducks on my jock and they all look to take it. But you cook it, where the cookies, I just cook it, how we looking. Oh my God, man, he passed nice, y'all niggas tacky. So my plug once he get ready, he best get at me. Said he had me, hit me fastly, left a packy, now I'm happy. Fight my style alright, don't care, I'm still gon' see me. As I look around, nobody that I see. Let it see, let it squeeze still. Slice is stored out, nigga beast still. Motherfucker, I'm still a beast though. Call me glue hope, stick it to the cheek code. I let that thing go, aim it, pop, then I read. Them songs don't talk about it.
Everything y'all niggas do, I don't do. I do the other thing. Everything y'all niggas go across the street that way, I'm going up. Holla at your boy, I do other things, man.